All right.
Any parts of Europe.
Okay. So, you need to get any part from Europe. What age group?
From 25 to 28 to 30, it doesn't matter.
All right. Okay. All right. After this, did you say you are in Sweden?
Yeah. I'm actually in Belgium.
Are you in Nigeria?
No, I'm a Cameroonian.
Oh, you're a Cameroonian.
Yeah.
You're in Belgium. You need a hookup. All right. After this, just send me a little bit of the summary, about yourself, what you've just told me, and if anybody comes in interested in you and your pictures, we'll continue from there.
All right. Thank you.
All right. Thank you. Now, somebody just asked. Oh my God, let me pick this up. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Hello.
Yeah, good evening, Mama Atalaku.
Good evening, bro. Where are you calling from?
Yeah, I'm calling from Sweden.
Okay, these Swedish people now on a conference. Tell me.
Mama Atalaku, I money talk soon.
Now say the Swedish, they say could that code for Sweden then have a -0.
You know, minus 85 now. So.
All right, tell me.
Some particular gauge of call now, so now I want just like try to have her number, something of that sort.
I mean, I don't know so they get the number, my brother. This number they so they hang around air and person go pay go cut off up. Let me say they get that number. So after if you call me after the show, and which of the girls and the one we call say they Sweden.
Yeah.
What I want to get child money in my account. I'll send on a picture for the girl. When I don't pay pay me, I send on a picture of the girl go choose it on a tombola. I never argue. You need to understand. I never argue, bro. I never argue. Say now, I never talk say now what boy they I try to talk say since there's plenty boy then they want this girl. I say all that I go pay me or carry all na picture send for the girl. If you don't choose all na is non refundable.
The problem is sometimes if you say meet all the girls we na inside we the boy don't like the girl.
No problem, no day. I will now continue and from there.
Okay. So do after the show chat more?
Yeah, after the show, just drop me a summary of what you don't just call me, tell me the best way one time. After the show, we'll continue from there.
Okay, perfect.
All right, later. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, I'm based in Germany.
Okay.
Yeah, I need a hookup.
All right. Are you a Cameroonian?
I'm a Cameroonian.
What age? How old are you?
I'm 37.
You're 37, and you need a hookup from what age group?
From 25 onwards to 35.
Do you want a girl from Europe, America, or a Cameroon included anywhere?
Europe and America.
Europe and America, okay. All right. What I'll do is you send me a summary of what you want, and after the live video, any lady who calls interested. Are you a single dad? Oh God, I don't go to now. Hello.
Yeah, good evening, sweet mother.
Good evening, mommy. Good evening.
Yeah, I'm calling from Cameroon.
Okay.
I'm 30 years, a single mother of one. I meet a man from Canada, US.
You don't need a Cameroonian. You don't need a man from Cameroon?
No, I don't need a man from Cameroon.
Just Canada and US.
I'm ready to travel out. I'm ready any moment, anytime.
So you sure say you travel carry no run?
No, mom.
Anyway, I'm just joking. I'm joking. All right. So you're 39 from Cameroon.
I'm 30.
You're
I'm 30, Mom. 30 years.
You're 30 years from Cameroon, and you need a man from Canada or US.
Yes, Mom.
What if your own husband then a Cameroon?
Okay, let me not say that I need a man only from US. Okay, I need a man anywhere.
But your dream is Canada and US.
That's it, Mom. That's it.
Okay.
I can still work it with him. Even if the man is not from there, we don't know God will. If it's written that my man is from Cameroon, since Canada and US my dreamland, I can work hard for us to go there.
Both of you can work hard to travel together.
Yes.
Not you working hard for both of you.
You are right. You are right, Mom.
All right. Okay, then. After this, just send me a summary of yourself, inbox, and I'll take it from there.
Okay, Mom. Thank you.
All right. He get money, no. He come from Cameroon. He come on normal call. He just say he be ready. So if you are in Cameroon, if you are in the diaspora and looking for a wife back home, she can be good. She did not call using WhatsApp. She called using her real number. Hello.
Oh, good evening.
Hello.
I'm calling from Germany.
Hello. Good evening. Tell us.
I'm calling from Germany. I'm 25 years old. I'm looking for a hookup.
Okay. Where precisely?
Germany.
You want a man just from Germany?
No, in Europe.
Europe, not America, not Cameroon.
No, Cameroon.
Europe, America?
Europe and America. No, it's just Europe.
All right, just Europe. So you're 25 years old. You want the man just from your what age group?
Between the age of 30 to 35.
30 to 35. You're 25 and you want a man between the age of 30 to 35.
Yeah.
Are you a single mom?
No, I'm not a single mom.
Can you travel to any part of Europe?
Yes.
All right, okay. So after this, just give me just drop a little bit of summary about yourself, what you've just told me, inbox with your pictures. And when I finish the live video, I'll tell you the next procedure.
Okay, but I'm looking for someone responsible too, and someone who has a job, not any person.
It's all right, my sister. When we hook up, before I want to hook you up with anybody, I might have spoken to the person, and I tell you what the person is doing, what you think about the person. If you are ready to go ahead, then we continue with that. I don't just take anybody's picture and I start sending to you. Now, it is you now dealing with the man who know if the man is responsible or irresponsible. I cannot tell you because I will be lying. You understand?
Okay.
Yes. So you have the work to do. I just need to talk to both of you. If you accept, I hook both of you up and you continue from there. I'm out of the game.
Okay, thank you. Have a great day.
All right, you too. Bye.
Bye.
Now, I just want to let one I know say, before I pick the next caller, when people say they don't want people from Cameroon, it's not as if it's a kind of stigma because some of them already feel bad, say, I'm going to pick the call after we'll just stop then close the show because I need to close the show by 8 o'clock. I need to go. Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello. Good evening, Yango.
Hey, hello, good evening. We're hearing you. Can you let us know your age, your country, and what you want, please?
I'm calling from Italy.
All right.
I'm 40 years.
You're 40 years, okay. Are you a Cameroonian?
I need a hookup. I need a hookup from Nigeria.
Oh, you want a Nigerian woman?
Yes.
So you're 40 years. You want a Nigerian woman in Europe?
Anywhere. Even back in Nigeria.
Oh, really?
Yes.
So what part of Nigeria are you coming from?
I'm a Cameroonian.
Oh, you're a Cameroonian. You want a Nigerian woman?
Yes.
Ah, okay, I see. Oh, okay. All right. You're 40 years.
Yes.
You want a Nigerian woman in any part of Europe, any part of the world?
Yes, any part of the world.
Okay, sir. After this, you just send a small summary. Do you mind having a single mom?
Yeah. I don't mind.
You have kids?
Yeah, I have a daughter.
All right. So after this, just send me a summary of what you've just told me on the call, and we will continue from there. Send after this, WhatsApp me what you've just told me, and we'll continue from there.
Okay, Mama.
All right. Thank you.
Welcome.
I've been trying to talk say Cameroon no get no problem. Some people they no just like the distance relation, play with them no if you go. Hello. Hello. Hello.
I'm calling from. Hi. How are you getting me now?
Yeah, I'm getting you clearly.
Okay, that's very nice. I'm calling from Germany. I'm 44, a father of a son.
Okay.
And I'm looking for a hookup from somebody, most likely from Europe, Australia, Middle East, or the US.
Okay. And can you travel to any part of the world?
Yeah, I can travel anywhere, but actually I'm busy working right now. I cannot travel very soon, but maybe in the next weeks to come.
No, when I mean if you can travel, I just mean like if the person is around Europe, can you go for a visit? Can you like that's just what I'm talking about.
Problem is I'm free. I can travel. Yeah.
Do you mind a single mom?
It's not really, but a single mom of one will be okay. But I'll prefer yeah.
But you're a single. But you're a single dad? Or did I not hear you well?
Yeah,